China once again captured the world's attention with the Zhuhai Airshow, a biennial defense event that has become more than just a technology showcase but also a declaration of military power. With more than 600,000 visitors, global contracts worth 280 billion yuan, and the presence of foreign defense officials, including those from Russia, the event underscored Beijing's ambition to accelerate its military modernization. Behind the glitz and aerial demonstrations, China's strategic message was clear. It wanted to prove that it was no longer simply following, but leading the global military technology race. The J-35A was one of the highlights of the exhibition. After more than a decade of development, this stealth fighter finally made its debut as a new generation aircraft, expected to challenge the dominance of the United States F-35. With its aerodynamic design and low observable structure, the J-35A demonstrates significant advancements in stealth technology, which has long been the benchmark for modern air power. Experts noted that unlike the single-engine F-35, the J-35A is equipped with two turbofan engines, providing higher thrust and more aggressive maneuverability at supersonic speeds. Furthermore, the J-35A is designed as a multi-role fighter platform capable of air superiority, precision surface strikes, and tactical reconnaissance missions. With the ability to carry high-tech missiles like the PL-15E in its internal weapons bay, this aircraft further demonstrates its role as the future backbone of the PLA Air Force. Furthermore, defense analysts revealed that a naval version of the J-35A is being prepared for China's newest aircraft carrier. If true, this aircraft would mark the expansion of China's naval power in long-range operations, which has long been the main advantage of the United States Navy. In the air defense sector, the HQ-19 missile system has become one of the most eye-catching devices. Many Western analysts have immediately compared it to the United States Terminal High Altitude Area Defense, THAAD, one of the world's most advanced missile defense systems. The HQ-19 is mounted on an 8x8 high-mobility vehicle platform and carries 6 cold-launch interceptors, allowing for repeated launches with reduced structural stress. China does not publicly disclose technical details, but U.S. Department of Defense documents indicate the HQ-19 has been tested to intercept medium-range missiles at ranges of up to 3,000 kilometers. Furthermore, some PLA military officials claim the HQ-19 can intercept hypersonic targets, a capability rarely seen in other countries. If this capability is confirmed in operational tests, the HQ-19 would become a crucial component of China's air defense system against modern threats, such as intercontinental ballistic missiles or hypersonic glider-based strike platforms. In addition to domestically produced weaponry, the presence of the Su-57 Felon in Zhuhai was a historic moment. This was the first time Russia's fifth-generation stealth fighter jet had been showcased abroad, sending a strong political and strategic message. The growing military ties between China and Russia amidst Western geopolitical pressure. The Su-57 is considered a rival to the F-22 Raptor and F-35, boasting extreme maneuverability thanks to its vector thrust technology and segmented stealth design. According to state media reports, an official export contract for the Su-57 was signed at the event, although no buyer was identified. However, for the world, the main message was not simply a transaction. It was a demonstration of the close relationship between two Eurasian powers forming a new power bloc in the global military arena. The Jetank was one of the most futuristic technologies on display. This massive drone boasts a 25-meter wingspan, a maximum takeoff weight of 16 tons, and a payload capacity of up to 6 tons, making it one of the largest UAVs ever operated. However, what truly sets the Jetank apart is its concept as an airborne drone carrier, an airborne mothership capable of transporting, launching, and coordinating smaller drones in sustained missions. With 8 external hardpoints and a modular payload bay, the Jetank ushers in a new era of swarm aerial warfare, where multiple drones can work collectively as a single AI-powered combat unit. This concept has the potential to revolutionize modern warfare strategy, as a single Jetank can deliver simultaneous attacks on multiple targets autonomously and in layers of capability that is difficult to stop even by advanced defense systems. If Jetanks rule the skies, then the Orca is designed to rule the seas. As an unmanned surface combat vessel with a displacement of up to 500 tons, the Orca is part of China's naval fleet transformation program into an era of autonomous combat. With a stealthy trimaran design, this vessel has an ultra-low radar signature, a speed of up to 40 knots, and an operational range of 4,000 nautical miles without refueling. Equipped with a phased array radar, a vertical launch system, a remote weapon station, and naval and airborne drone platforms, the Orca is capable of conducting anti-ship, anti-submarine, air defense, and long-range covert operations. With no human crew on board, this platform allows China to expand its military operations zone without risking human casualties, a significant advantage in maritime conflict scenarios like the South China Sea. This year's Zhuhai Airshow demonstrated that China is now at a critical juncture in its military transformation. From stealth fighters and missile defense systems to fleets of autonomous air and sea drones, Beijing demonstrated that it is not merely playing catch-up, but is actively shaping the future of global warfare. If all these systems enter mass production and operational integration, the world will face a new reality. China is no longer just a regional power, but a major player in the global military landscape on par with the United States and Russia.